The Trinity River, like rivers in every community, is part of our identity. It's who we are. The river has become a place of recreation, a place of reflection, a place where people go to get engaged, to celebrate birthdays. Litter is a problem in every community. In Fort Worth, Texas as a whole, litter is a problem because we have a lot of wind and a lot of open space. And so we've struggled this over the years, and we really thought, is there a better way to get litter out of the river? Because litter that starts in an open field will eventually end up in a river at some point. And we decided that a water wheel would be a great concept, and we're now in the process of moving that concept into reality. This is by far the most low-tech solution that we could come up with. The flow of the river turns this big wheel, and instead of removing water or using it just for energy, it has screens in it. So as the litter floats across the surface and goes into the water wheel picks the litter up and then deposits it into a dumpster. We want the community to participate in the building of this, and so we are currently in the fundraising part of this, where we want everyday citizens to be able to contribute and be part of it, and then we're also looking for corporate sponsorships to help us with the large ticket items. As corny as this may sound, we want you to be a water wheel winner, because when the water wheel wins, we all win.
Help us make the water wheel a reality. Create a cleaner Trinity River for tomorrow by making your donation today.